Hey guys, have you guys seen that BTS Butter music video? Yeah, I saw it and I love it so much. In that video, J-Hope ate a piece of butter with nothing at all. And then I thought, uh-oh, people will think Korean eat butter like that. So I decided to share how Korean eat butter with their own Korean dishes. First of all, like bread and butter, there's a rice and butter. Children love it and some adults enjoy it once in a while. This is how you eat it. Add your butter to hot cooked rice and mix it. I like to add a little bit of soy sauce too. This is especially good with kimchi. And you can add fried egg and kim. Second, you can use butter as a flavor enhancer. Add butter to any Korean dishes and you will enjoy the extra buttery flavor. Let me share a quick tteokbokki recipe. 1 big spoonful of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I have no idea how many portions you want to cook. Just remember my ratio. Gochujang 3, sugar 2, soy sauce 1. Of course, using a yummy stock will be a great idea. Add your butter at the end and you love it with the butter. This is a home-style quick recipe, but I have a street-style recipe too. Click the link at the end for my magic tteokbokki powder. How about ramen? Add butter to your ramen and it will become more savory. Regular Shinramen will become Shinramen Black, buttery, creamy, and yummy. I have a recipe for homemade ramen seasoning. Check it out at the end of this video. One last thing I want to say, make sure not to add too much butter from the beginning. Add a little bit first, then taste it yourself to decide to stop or add more. Alright, enjoy your butter with Korean food. I wish all the best to BTS. I cannot wait to see their butter to score #1 in Billboard's Hot 100. Visit my channel for more Korean recipes. God bless you all. Bye. 안녕.